Welcome back. Ted joins us with a look at our weather forecast. And Ted, this day started out pretty cloudy, pretty chilly, but it seems like the sun peeked through.
The sun has helped a lot, and there are a couple of elements that have improved in time. All these little pieces of the weather story, and one of those, of course, the wind. We woke up pre-dawn this morning, and the wind was howling out of the north around 20 miles per hour. Since then, the winds have dropped to less than 10 miles per hour. That is a blessing in itself, but the sun, it makes a big difference as well. Looking southward from our studio with time lapse, more and more sunshine breaking through, and really a pleasant looking Monday. Looking down Bandel Road live with our Lewis Donato camera today. Now 20, it does feel colder, but the wind's only 5 miles per hour to the northwest, so 13 the wind chill. That in itself quite a bit better than some of the wind chill levels we had yesterday or over the weekend with those raw northwest winds and the gray skies. Now blue sky the rule at this point. Temperatures approaching 20, if not there already. Rochester 20 officially at the airport. Winona 23. It's 19 in Mason City, 19 in Austin, 17 in Zumbrota. From here, we'll make our way in the low and mid-20s. Tack on a few more degrees with the help of that the low sun angle, but still enough of that sunshine, that mid-December sunshine trying to do what it can, but it is very low in the sky these days. 14-mile-per-hour winds, again 7. The wind chill officially. Air pressure is rising as high pressure brings us this pleasant weather. Cold sunshine today on our way to the 20s. We'll actually start seeing 30s return as soon as maybe Wednesday or Thursday, so a slow warm-up is ahead of us. Not a whole lot of snow. Next round could be Friday night, but at this point, not necessarily something to get super excited about. It looks like it's going to be kind of a fairly sparse potential for precipitation in the coming days, and going forward, generally dry weather. Pleasant, quiet conditions, but dry. High pressure coming in behind a cold front that swept the area yesterday. Of course, we felt the raw winds. We had those flurries all yesterday afternoon and up until about 7 o'clock this morning. Flurries on the weather patio. 20 degrees again in Rochester, 19 in Des Moines. Morris only 10 this hour, even with a lot of sunshine. Wausau 17 degrees in the heart of Wisconsin. Sunshine 23, the expected high. Will stay in the teens this evening, and thickening clouds, but a very light breeze. Won't be nearly as breezy tonight. Winds turn more to the southeast, kind of leveling things off. The temperatures drop just a handful of degrees and stay in the teens tonight, and then climb nicely and very slightly tomorrow back to the mid-20s, even without the assistance of sunshine. It looks like a rather gray Tuesday because of a storm system staying to our south. But high pressure for today brings a quiet, sun-filled day. Temperatures low in mid-20s. Clouds take over this evening. We'll have the clouds through the overnight hours, and tomorrow the storm system brings some very light snow to parts of the Missouri Valley down toward Nebraska, Kansas, southwest Iowa. We'll get cloud cover as a result, but that's about it. Begin to see some breaks of sunshine by Wednesday afternoon as warm air begins to come back in on the south winds. Those winds will pick up by Thursday, helping temperatures make their way into the mid and upper 30s. And again, the only precipitation chance, a weak clipper system Friday night and Saturday morning, maybe in the midday hours, a couple sprinkles, but snow showers and flurries Saturday, a trace amount, if not slightly more than that. And the jet stream, big trough, cold air has poured into the area with that, but then we start seeing things level off. More seasonable weather from the west over the next few days. Little ripples of energy bringing us a very small, subtle changes in our weather, but otherwise just the overall trend here, slightly warmer days in the end of the week. They're talking mid, maybe upper 30s for a few days, and that is above the climate average by a few degrees, not to the degree we were warm last week, not the 50s, but 30s would be pretty warm, considering 27 would be typical for this time of the year. We're going to be solidly warmer than average for about an entire week. By midweek. 21 today in Zumbrota, 23 in Rochester, 22 in Winona. Sunny skies, a diminishing breeze. Northwood 21 in Mason City, 22 with those northwest winds. Tonight, increasing cloud cover, mostly cloudy overnight. A quiet night though, lows around 11. Very light southeast winds and a light breeze tomorrow. 26 gray skies, but still a slightly warmer with those southeast winds. 7-day forecast, 30s for the most part, and a small dose of snow shower activity Friday night and again by Monday of next week. But right now, as it stands, accumulation not looking likely. So we're going to have to wait a bit longer before, if we're thinking more traditional holiday looking landscape.